In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join Microsoft Teams using a code. Whether you're a student trying to get into your online class or a professional preparing for a meeting, understanding how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting with a code is a handy skill to have. Now, let's dive right into it. First off, you need to have Microsoft Teams installed on your device. If you haven't done this already, head over to the Microsoft website or the respective app store on your device to download and install the Teams application. For mobile users, you'll find it in your App Store, and for desktop users, simply search online for Microsoft Teams Download, where you can follow the straightforward installation prompts. It's vital to ensure that you're using the latest version of the app for the best experience and compatibility with the codes you'll be using. With the app installed, open Microsoft Teams and log in using your credentials. This usually involves entering your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account or organizational account. If you encounter any trouble logging in, try resetting your password or reaching out for support from your organization's IT department. Once you're logged into the app, you'll find yourself on the main view. This is where you can access all your chats, Teams, assignments, and more. Look to the sidebar on the left to find the main navigation area. Here, you'll notice there's an option labeled Teams. Click on this to open the Teams section of the app. Now, you are in the Teams interface. Look towards the top right corner, and you should see an option that says Join or Create a Team. This is crucial for joining a team using a code. Click on it, and a new screen will appear with a few different options. You're going to want to focus on the Join a Team with a Code section. Here's the part where the code comes into play. Whether you receive the code via email from your organizer, from a website, or directly from a colleague or classmate, make sure you have it handy. Enter this code into the box provided. This code is case-sensitive, so be sure to input it exactly as you received it. Once you've input the code, press Join Team. If everything is correct and the team is set to allow code-based joining, you'll be admitted into the team. You'll land on the Teams Posts tab, where you can see announcements, conversations, and files that have been shared. And just like that, you're in. You're now ready to participate in conversations, share files, or join meetings within that particular team. It's a simple process, but being mindful of the details ensures a smooth transition into your Microsoft Teams workspace. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently join any team using a code. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.